So since this corona thing is happening and everybody deciding that they want to use gloves, let me tell you guys a little bit about gloves, because you guys are going to increase the spread of this corona and you're going to increase your risk of getting the corona. If you are wearing gloves, you cannot handle the same things that you do with the gloves without the gloves, because it defeats the purpose. I was in the grocery store and I seen this guy with gloves. He's shopping, he's picking up all his groceries with gloves, handling his cart with gloves, touching the aisles, touching everything with gloves, packed his groceries with the gloves. And you know what he's gonna do? He's gonna go home, take off those gloves, and then unpack the groceries. So everything that you touched with the gloves, contaminated all your foods and all the bags with the gloves, you're then gonna go home and handle them without the gloves. Put them on all your counters without the gloves. Like, that's defeating the purpose. I also work in a hospital. I saw a woman come in the hospital with her gloves, touch the buttons on the elevator, pressed the floor that she was going to with the gloves, and then went into her bag to look for something with her gloves. You know what she's gonna do? She's gonna go home later and take those gloves off, and with her bare hands go back into the same purse that she went into with the gloves after touching the elevator. While in the hospital, I've seen a man handle his phone with his gloves, have his phone up to his face with the gloves. Mind you, the gloves are touching his face, and you know what he's gonna do later? He's going to go home and take off those gloves and lay in his bed with his phone and probably scroll on Instagram and check his emails and text people. That is defeating the purpose of the gloves. If you're going to handle something dirty, you need to then take off your gloves and handle your clean items. If you're going to wear the same gloves all day, you are defeating the purpose of the gloves. The only way that this glove thing is going to be a thing is if you literally walk around with a box of gloves and change your gloves every time you touch something. Literally. Because you guys are defeating the purpose of the glove. You're actually spreading more germs than you're doing any help. Like, you guys are literally spreading more germs, taking more germs home than you would have been if you would have just washed your hands. Take the gloves off and just wash your hands, people. Seriously.